Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Windows 11 sleep mode not working problem. Is your Windows 11 PC refusing to enter the sleep mode or randomly waking up on its own? Sleep mode is essential for conserving power and keeping your system ready for quick access. But various factors like misconfigured settings and software glitches can prevent it from working properly. Fortunately, there are some pretty effective solutions to fix this annoying problem. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to disable the wake timers. Bear in mind that the scheduled wake timers have a long history of interfering with the sleep mode. Therefore, try disabling the wake timers on your PC. To get it done, just launch the control panel on your device. Just press Windows plus R, then type Control and press Enter. Then you have to navigate to Power Options and choose Change Plan Settings for the active plan. After that, you have to choose Change Advanced Power Settings. And then you have to expand the sleep option. And then you have to select Allow Wake Timers and set it to Disable for both battery and plugged in mode. Then you have to click on the Apply button and choose OK. After that, you have to restart your PC and check if the sleep mode has started to work all over again. Then I will recommend you to run the Power Troubleshooter on your PC. Windows comes with a robust troubleshooter designed to detect and resolve power-related issues. We are going to count on this very built-in troubleshooter to get rid of the problem. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC. And then you have to head into the System tab located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Troubleshoot option. Then you have to select Other Troubleshooters. And then you have to find the Power option and then hit the Run button located right next to it. And then you have to follow the on-screen instructions to detect and get rid of the problem. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your PC because I suspect that a software bug might be causing the problem and preventing the sleep mode from functioning properly. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC. And then you have to select the Windows Update tab located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to click on Check for Updates, and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of Windows on your PC, and that's about it. So, these are the best tips and tricks to fix Windows 11 sleep mode not working problem. Hopefully, you have gotten the better of the problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.